These broadcasts originate from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Tulsa. Transmitting facilities are located in northeast Oklahoma and serve metropolitan Tulsa and surrounding areas. The current time is 12:22 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At midnight, at the Tulsa International Airport, it was partly cloudy. The temperature was 62, dew point 45, relative humidity 53%. The wind was north at 13. The pressure was 29.88 inches and rising. Around Oklahoma this hour. In Oklahoma City, it was cloudy with a temperature of 72. In Bartlesville, it was partly cloudy with a temperature of 57. At McAllister, it was cloudy with a temperature of 73. The report from Ponca City was not available. At the Sand Springs Airport, it was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 65. At the Tulsa Riverside, the National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Haskell County in southeastern Oklahoma, northeastern McIntosh County in southeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Muskogee County and east central Oklahoma, until 1:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:23 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles east of Lake Eufaula State Park, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Warner, Quorum, Whitefield, Lake Eufaula State Park, Briartown, Anapa. This includes Interstate 40 in Oklahoma between mile markers 264 and 282. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. At midnight,